is not using any muscle effort to support the upper body, and so you see this a lot. So like bend in the elbows, press the floor away to have a nice active upper body support. Usually when the leg extends, somebody's hip is too high. The other is not using any muscle effort to support. Okay, the most common bird dog mistakes are usually alignment, and that way then you don't feel how challenging the exercise actually is. So one, it's usually with the arms too far forward, you need to step directly underneath the shoulders. The other is not using any muscle effort to support the upper body, and so you see this a lot. So like bend in the elbows, press the floor away to have a nice active upper body supported. Usually when the leg extends, somebody's hip is too high or it's dropping. So the supporting leg needs to stay squeezed in through that outer glute, and then the toes need to be pointed down. So usually take a look down, your toes usually pointed, rotated out. So you need to use the inner thigh to rotate that hip square, and then as you add movements, you need to keep all of those cues. So usually I see as we add the arm movement that the shoulder blade will drop. Okay, I promised I would review diaphragm breathing for those of you who asked, and I will find a way to do a post on it. I don't know, it's easier to like say it than it is to find a cute way to like show it in the video. Anywho, I teach exaggerated belly breathing first because I find for those who are really upper chest dominant, one, they hold a lot of abdominal and pelvic floor tightness, and that 360 breathing alone doesn't usually seem to let them see the dramatic difference between relaxing and contracting. And it helps them reverse that upper chest breathing to really just understand what breathing into the belly is. And then when they have that better understanding, then I teach 360, true 360 diaphragm breathing. So if you're going to lie on your back, looking over your heart, looking over your belly, you're going to take a great big breath in. See which hand rises first. Usually people's upper chest hand rises first. We're going to work on releasing that. Okay, so it will sound like an inhale and a passive exhale. Now, I try to teach everybody, especially those with pelvic floor tension, remember if you have belly pooch, a tight pelvic floor will restrict that ability for the diaphragm to even descend. So first, we need to reduce that, lengthen the pelvic floor, then we can retrain everything else. When it's at its ideal functioning position, then we get the lift and contraction that we're looking for. So think about that triangle right there. I find that's where people lose the ability to both contract and relax. And so I teach breathing into that pelvic area that helps reduce the abdominal wall and your pelvic floor tension. And then I talk a lot about mind-body reconnection. That's how we make it more automatic and less conscious. So do you recall ever feeling this? Do you understand what okay, mind-body reconnection looks like having a conversation with yourself. Do I feel that relaxing? Oh, I think I do. Oh, I feel those muscles releasing tension. Okay, that's what it feels like. Oh, I never felt that before. Okay, next time I'm in the grocery store, I'm going to do a body scan. I'm holding my belly in. Let me let that go. Oh, I felt that pelvic floor release as well. Okay, good. And yes, you're going to mess up. Yes, you're going to return back to those habits. Yes, you're going to hold your breath. Like all of those things will happen. The ideal goal would be it happens less often. It becomes an automatic pattern of breathing. But on your way there, the only way to change a habit is to check in and know that you can change it when you recognize it happening. And to recognize when you fall into those bad postures and then to be able to correct it, that really is like the ideal goal. And then slowly over time, know that you will be able to fall into that better breathing pattern.
Queenies! Let's talk about them. First of all, what are